Hi guys, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If you guys are new here, thank you guys for clicking on this video. All returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this video, but most importantly, leave a comment. When you do these things, it really helps out the video and it goes a far way, and these things are all free. So I know guys, you haven't seen us in a long while. Why is that? There's so many things happening right now. I'm gonna have to do a full life update video, giving you guys an update as to what's going on in our lives, why have we been MIA, and just bring you guys back up to date. But quick synopsis is we have started a business. If you guys haven't already been aware, it's called MJ Squared, which is a web app and mobile app that is designed to connect parents and caregivers of neurodivergent children, so we can have a safe space where we can share experiences, connect, while getting access to community resources. So it's been quite a bit of a journey, because we did our first pitch competition in Alberta and we were placed second, which is a major achievement considering it's our first pitch. But not only is it our first pitch, we went up against some really talented innovators in the province of Alberta, so we came second. So that's amazing. We actually did our Sensory Santa event as well, where we allowed neurodivergent children and their families the opportunity to take photos with Santa in a sensory friendly environment. That also was a success, but that took a bit of a planning, so that really took a lot of time, effort, and it's just hard to focus on everything at the same time while also focusing on work. And we have a family, of course, so you know that we have our lives as well. So those are just some of the few things that's been going on. Over the past month, we celebrated our 1 year anniversary in our house. We did a video about that, I think, already. So if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. We're now approaching in our second Christmas in our house. First Christmas, we were just Nats and I and our family. Last Christmas, my brother and his family was here with us, so kind of a bit of a quieter pace, quieter environment, much different compared to last year. We wanted to do Vlogmas, but based on everything that we had going on, we didn't. We know that we wouldn't have had enough time to put into doing Vlogmas, so we decided not to do it. As you guys can see, it's the 10th of the month and you are just getting the first video that's not in the background right there. This is the first video that you guys are seeing, and we're already almost midway December. So we did already put up our Christmas tree. Let me show you guys what it's looks. We did put up our Christmas tree, guys. Nothing fancy. We popped up this tree just because our girls both wouldn't let us survive without putting up a Christmas tree, so we got that up and running. We didn't do a video when we were decorating it, because Nats got up one morning at like 3 a.m. and decorated the tree, even without me. So I didn't know what the tree is looking like, so that's what it's looking like. Pretty simple, just a few decorations here and there. We've been getting a whole lot of snow, so that's outside. We're still covered in snow. It's been almost non-stop. We get a break for the past couple of days, so that's fantastic. I want to say a special shout out to Penguin Photography as well. They were the company that provided photography services for our Sensory Santa event, and let me tell you guys, it could not have gone any better. It was a fantastic event, and the community really and truly embraced it and was really grateful for it. So you shout out to Penguin Photography. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook, and when you go over there, let them know that them from DiAndersons send you over there. So I am home today, and Nats and I were about to go on the road. Gonna take you guys with us. Nats is gonna be going to almost like a farmer's market. She's gonna be looking for some clothes and see what we can get there. So we're gonna take you guys along with us, and hopefully we can stop somewhere and get some lunch, right? If you guys have made it this far in the video and you haven't already subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys. Okay guys, so if you look closely on the road, it's covered in ice. All those shine spots that you're seeing is actually ice. Takes a bit of an adjustment getting used to driving on it, but once you do it for 5 winters straight, you get the knack of it. Comment right down below as well and let me know what the weather is like in your city right now. If you guys are experiencing pretty much the same thing that we're experiencing here, or if you guys are sunshine or if it's rain, let me know what's the weather like in your city right now, and also comment where you're watching from. That'd be awesome.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.
A long way around. Yeah? To be safe. How have you been?
I'm sick.
You've been sick?
Can hear it in my voice.
Here to look for a deal? Yeah. See what's going on. So they have like a market within the hotel? 3 days? Gotcha. All you can eat whole chicken wing. Whole chicken wing is not seafood.
You know this is really, you know when you cook something you sit in a Jamaican so that's what
What's that? Oh yeah, like the Syrians them and yeah. So they have winter. It's on the winter clothing. Yeah, they don't have any dress or anything like that. It's just winter clothes. I thought that's what you're looking for. This is not a sale. You can get like, and these look used. Are they used? You can get this in mountain thing for $100 and some. So it's just jackets and electronics. As I say, it's the same way with the Syrians that used to come on the TV in Jamaica.
You just remind me, step in here and stuff.
No air fryer. Coffee grinders. Head shaver. When we go ball. Boots. 120. This don't look like a deal. Liquidation. So everything right here. So today is $25, tomorrow is $20, and then $15. Okay. So the price go down every day. Gotcha. The power bank. That'd be handy. You don't need it.
Thinking about buying all of these.
What's this?
Like lights would I put on in this thing. Yeah.
Oh,
Light up in my
gotcha.
not buying for $25.
It's cheaper. Well, I guess the price is all over the place. Some things more expensive, some things cheaper, but price and tag. Cooling pad, laptop. Printer. Say $149, and this printer looks like almost the same like what we have. But we paid less than that. So I'm saying this is not really a deal. What's this? Toolkit? No, it's special. Look at saw.
We could fight all day in the club at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? $25. You're like the waves on the bay, the storm you see.
Vacuum. No Apple Watch. I take an Apple Watch. Okay. I'm not really catch my eye there. Oh, they're going all the way up to Sunday. Sunday, it's on the other side.
Always get back up again.
Here's how I treat it.
We're a little busted, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we
Hey guys, so there wasn't anything really captivating there, so we ended up buying nothing. Yeah, Nasty's a bit disappointed because she's always in the mood for her sale, but they got nothing. Careful. Shimmy, walking on ice. What if this is what Michael Jackson was talking about when he said moonwalk? No. Alright guys, so as I mentioned before, that didn't really go as planned, so we're gonna go and get some food to eat. Where you wanna go? You remember that Mexican place that we went to? Was that okay?
Yeah, that was it.
That was okay?
Yeah, that was it.
If you had a choice between the Mexican place or Jeffrey's, where would it be?
Mexican.
Mexican place? Let's do it. Let's go to the Mexican place, guys. I don't remember what it's called. The Mexican place. More ice.
You be sleeping on my friend.
Oh, absolutely. They need to start out the parking lot. Ice.
And let's see if we have anything funny.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know,
Okay guys, lunch is over with my favorite person. We're now going to get Malika from school because it is a school day. And then we're gonna go and get Malia afterwards. So we'll take you guys to go and get Malika from school, and then we'll call this video to an end.
No, we're going shopping.
Going shopping? Malika, baby. Malika, sleep. Sleep, shall I sleep on it?
Yeah.
Yes guys, so I'm home again and waiting a little bit before we go for Malia from day home. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you haven't already subscribed, oh, look at this picture. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, smash a like and leave a comment. Until next time guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.